You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Vietnamese. This is usually a given name, meaning pure or clear. There are slightly different pronunciations, including in Vietnamese, but generally Vietnamese pronunciation, Thien, Thien. Therefore, in English, it's often pronounced simply as Thien. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.